Welcome one more day. Today I will show you how to prepare my version of teriyaki chicken. I first learned how to make this dish in a bioenergetic restaurant I worked for in Spain. The previous owner had a Japanese restaurant, so when the bioenergetic place was up and running, some people would still come asking for Asian cuisine. This way, we keep the chicken teriyaki on the menu, and now you'll know how to do it as well. These are all the ingredients we are going to need. Chicken. Try and get chicken legs, boneless, instead of breast. We need the fat. Garlic, ginger, dark brown sugar, flour, vegetable oil, sunflower or corn, other than olive oil, mirin, rice wine, vinegar. You can use any kind. Soy sauce, the darker the better. This is a very simple recipe to make, and the first things we have to do is add into your blending jar the garlic, the mirin, and vinegar. I am using rice vinegar and wine vinegar. You can use wherever you have at home. Incorporate some ginger. Pour in the soy sauce and blend all together. Once that is done, add the brown sugar and mix with a spoon. Reserve. Now, let's flour the chicken. One by one, dip the chicken pieces into the flour and shake them gently to remove the excess. It's that simple. This will help thickening the sauce and also making it easier to stick to the chicken. In a very hot pan, add some vegetable oil and fry the chicken for both sides. The chicken is sealed now, and I was going to use this paper and plate to remove the excess of oil, but it doesn't have excess, so we are just going to deglaze here. Pour in the sauce and wait for it to reduce to half. While this is ready, let's quickly prepare some veggie noodles. In a really hot pan, or wok, if you have one, put some vegetable oil. You can use any vegetable you have in your fridge. Today I will use cabbage, different type of peppers, green beans, carrot, celery, bean sprouts, onion, garlic, ginger that I have left from the chicken, and some soy sauce. Add the garlic and right after add the onion and celery and stir. Now go the green beans and carrot. Fry it a little bit. Then the cabbage and peppers. And just keep frying. Now, just a bit of ginger. And while the vegetables are still crunchy, incorporate the noodles. They are pre-cooked, al dente. I'm just going to add some more. As always, try and cook by eye. The best flavor are the ones you like. So cook for yourself, just how you like it. But if you have any doubt, all the specifics are in the video description. At this point, pour a splash of hot water into the wok so all detaches from it and we can really exploit its flavors. Last and most delicate are the bean sprouts. Then the soy sauce that will salt our noodles. And in this version of mine, I'm going to add some spice because I love it, just a little bit. I'm going to use the green one today. This way I can spot it from the other non-spicy pepper. Obviously, the spicy chili is totally optional, up to you. This is now almost ready to eat. The sauce is thick enough, so turn off the heat, and this is a texture we were looking for in our chicken teriyaki. Let's serve it with the vegetable noodles, some sesame seed, and the delicious sauce. And this is my version of the teriyaki chicken. Subscribe for more and thanks for watching.